In this video, we are going to see the operations in singly linked list: insertion at the beginning, insertion at the end, insertion after a given location or at any position. So we'll see one by one. First, today we'll be seeing insertion at the beginning. Okay. So in insertion at the beginning, I'm going to, so in previous video, we learned how to create a list, how to each and every node when we are creating, how to link with the newly created previously created nodes, how to link the newly created nodes, right? So now suppose if I want to insert a node at the beginning, I want to insert a node at the beginning, the same code only, the same loop continues, right? New node, I am creating a new node. For example, my new node address will be 500. So this is my new node. Current new node will be pointing to the newly created node. So new node of next is equal to, initially it will be 0. Now when I'm inserting this node to the beginning, what I should do, I should update the head pointer to the newly created, because it is at the first. Always the head pointer should be pointing to the first node. So I should update my head pointer to 500, right? So head will be pointing to 500 and this node will be pointing to the next node. So this is this node 100. So I should update head pointer, I should update the new node of next. So if I write new node head is equal to new node, see here the code is 2 lines of code. What is my new node? 500. New node is new node of next. What is my new node of next? New node of next is equal to head. So what is my new node of next? 100. So it is pointing to 100 because my head is pointing to the first address. I'm updating here. So new node of next is 100. So it will point to the first created node because I'm creating at the beginning only, right? So now I should update my head. So what is my head? Head will be new. What is my head? So head will be 500. So this is very simple statement. New node of next is equal to 100 head, and head will be new node. Suppose vice versa, if you give, for example, first if you update head is equal to new node, first line if you give head is equal, what will happen? So if I'm updating first line as head is equal to new node. So what is my head here? So it will be, head will be changed to 500. So head will be pointing to new node. Now if I give new node of next is equal to head. So what is my new node? New node of next is equal to head. What is my head? So 500. So this will not work actually because it will point to 500. There is no meaning, right? So always you have to, first you have to update the new node of next. Then only you have to update, at the last you have to update the head. So then only you can insert at the beginning. So always you have to update the new node of next and then only you have to update the head pointer. So this is insertion at the beginning.